it's been mucking about. We thought so. Oh, don't worry. This is Mr. Kitty's house. He will not hurt you. We welcome humans. Yes, it's me, Mr. Kitty, and Miss Kitty, his daughter. Would you like to meet her? She is so cute, but don't tell her that she's cute, or she'll kick you out. Shh. This is Miss Kitty. She's the daughter of Mr. Kitty. Hi. Say hello. Do not be rude. Thank you. She's not as friendly as I am. But don't worry, you're still welcome to stay here. For a while at least. Oh no, you can't stay here forever. Don't worry, we're going to patch you up and get you ready to go back out. Well, my dear, how will you go home? Isn't that what you're doing here? You're trying to find your way home, and you look a bit tattered. Like a tattered old clown. I can fix that. You also have some growths. I'm sure you're aware. You're starting to form an eyeball. It's not good. Are you hungry? Have you ate a human yet? Good. That means I can save you. I love saving humans. You guys are so easy. Well, I've tried to save entities before, but Mr. Kitty doesn't really like that. So, I stick to humans mainly, and he deals with the entities. He doesn't even like when I say the word. That's okay. I'm going to get you patched up and fed. No, I'm not going to feed you a human, silly. Mr. Kitty makes his own special sustenances. I don't know a lot of human words. It's food. Yes. So, let me get you some food options. We have this. It's one of my favorites because it matches me. Oh, me? No, I'm not related to Mr. Kitty. I wish. I'm actually kind of an entity myself. I was formed here many moons ago. And he kept me. Let's get this out. As you can see, it's very squishy. Doesn't that look delectable? Why don't you try it? Here, friend. Don't you feel better already? Yes. Next we have this yummy sustenance. Yes, what's wrong? Do you have questions? Mr. Kitty is an entity, yes, but he's different. As you can see, Miss Kitty is as well. But don't worry, they're not going to harm you. They only harm other entities. Shh, they're not supposed to do that. But the other entities are so annoying. Have you met some? One tried to eat you. Disgusting. Especially since you're turning into an entity. Why would they try to eat you? They've been tracing you. Yes, I heard. That's how we knew you were coming. Mr. Kitty tried to intervene on your behalf. Don't worry. They won't find you here. No. Mr. Kitty would love to take care of them if they do come. It's quite funny. I love seeing him do that. Here, my dear. Eat this one for me. Aren't they quite good? Mr. Kitty knows what he's doing. Last one for you, my dear. Why are you becoming an entity? Well, my dear, how many levels have you been to? You don't even remember. It's not good. You've been here too long. You need to get back to your human world. Well, short answer. You're jumping through levels very quickly. But the same amount of time is going by. If anything, you may be speeding the process. Yeah. Especially if you can't even remember. Well, obviously you came from a clown place. The fun room. Huh. No, it's just, I always heard that was dangerous. The keeper sent you, the keeper did your outfit and sent you out. Unfortunately, that explains a lot. Here, eat this before I explain. So unfortunately, I think she played you. Well, yeah, she seemed nice. She was toying with you. That's the first level you were on that you remember. She was really trying to help you. She could have showed you the way out. Every keeper knows the way out. Mr. Kitty knows the way out. He's not going to tell you. He is nice. However, he's not that nice. She could have told you. I'm sorry you had to learn this way. It's very sad. Cannot trust anyone here. No, I wouldn't trust me either. But I am helping you. However, I can't keep you here forever. That's why you can't trust me. I have to do what Mr. Kitty tells me to do. Sorry. But don't worry. We're gonna patch you up some more. Are you feeling better? Good. You're starting to have more of a human color again. That eye is going down. Yes. I am going to do some cutting, if that's quite alright, and scrape off all those little growths. Oh, I cut my growths off. I really don't get them because I stay on this level. You should really try to stay in levels as long as you can, so you don't quickly grow them. They look really gross. Sorry. Alright, just hold still for me. No. You might as well just be a human and do your best to hide. That way also you don't become one. I really think that keeper was trying to turn you into one, or get you eaten or messed with. I don't know. I'm so sorry about that. It's unfair, but everything is here. I'm just going to take this little bow and clip your hair back with it. But also you can keep it in your hair, okay? Okay, so just hold still for me. I'm just gonna clip. Just gonna clip. Just gonna clip. Just gonna clip that. Perfect, perfect. Next I'm gonna take this one. It's a little different. It's so cute though, it's so little. And I'm just gonna clip back. I'm just gonna clip. I'm just gonna clip back this side of your hair. I'm just gonna clip back. I'm just gonna clip back this side of your hair. I'm just gonna spray your face, okay? And get all of that gunk off, okay? Okay. Just hold still for me. See, it's already melting off. I'm just gonna take this wipe. I'm just gonna wipe it all off of you. Just gonna wipe it all off of you. Gonna wipe it all off of you. I'm just gonna curl your lashes for you. I'm going to put on this purple mascara. Oh, Mr. Kitty wants us to hurry up. I'm sorry. Just gonna blink, 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 yeah. Sometimes he decides people have overstayed their welcome. No, don't worry. It's okay. He's not gonna harm you. Actually, he wants me to finish and then send you on your way, okay? I'm just gonna do some gloss on you. She gave you a wand. The clown. Do you still have it? You keep it hidden for protection. Well, I can't say whether or not it'll help you. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, but it's good to keep it on you, I guess. Just gonna... No, I wouldn't get rid of it. I would keep it. Unless... Hasn't every level you've been to, they knew who you were, and they've known where you were? It could be a tracker. I know I told you not to trust anybody, not even me, but keep it on you if you want to, but I don't know if you should. Don't leave it here though. Mr. Kitty will be very, very, very mad. At your next level, if you come across it, use it. Try to, if you have the time. But if not, if it doesn't do anything, then you'll know. And just throw it and run for your life. No, I'm not a keeper of this level, Mr. Kitty is, so I don't know the way out. I'm so sorry. But perhaps maybe Miss Kitty can give you some advice before you go. What do you think?